What's up, guys? On today's video, we're gonna be looking at NAS 100 as always. First and foremost, what we do, man, we always go to the highest time frames. That's what we always do. So just gonna go to the daily time frame and see what's popping to the market. And guys, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. And that's what's up. Okay, so what we do, we find our levels. So like I've been saying, guys, for the past few weeks, few months, I've been saying that we are looking for that change of directions, and we are finally getting it, guys. I'm sure, we are really keen for this past week, man. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys. So this is what's up, man. We have our levels, and I did say in the previous videos, man, if you haven't checked them out, please go check them out, because I did say our next mission was to enter a certain zone, and we did enter it, and we're still onto it. All right, so go check them out, man. And here is where everything gets interesting, because we have to put our trend line. Obviously we can't put this one because it's still 4. All right, see, still have to go for it, meaning by this trend line alone, this one alone, like, tells us that it already gives us our next mission. All right, because obviously we have to go and test it. We have to. So this trend line alone, it tells us that, okay, our next mission is to enter the zone here between 12,600 and 13,100, somewhere there. So this trend line here. So this is our next target, guys, meaning our next mission. It's simple. By this trend line alone, it tells us that's where we're gonna go. But obviously we have to be more accurate than that. All right, so let's just remove it for now. But at the back of our heads, we know where our next mission is. All right, we know what's our next mission. So now let's see if we have other trend lines, and we do have them, like here. Okay, it was this one, and what happened with this one, guys? We had it smoothly, and then what happened? We broke it, and after breaking it, what did we do? And I did say in the previous videos that from here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back and retest it, retest the very same trend line, and then what happens? We did exactly that. Okay, so even now we do have this one, and we have broken it too. Okay, this one, we have broken it too, and look what's happening. We had this first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and then what happened? We broke it. And then what did we do after breaking it? We came back to retest the very same trend line, and after retesting it, what happened? We went up. All right, so you see, guys, like, this is like the basics. Like when you first learned Forex, you knew, like, after breaking a structure, what you have to do, you have to pull back and retest, and then continue with your new movement. Like, this is what applies, guys. We always apply the basics. All right, yeah. So that's just what's up, guys. That's what we do, man. We do simply that, because we broke our structure, and now we came back to retest it. What's more, like, do we want? Nothing really. All right, so now, like I'll be saying, we can put, maybe, yeah, we can do it like this, maybe. Okay, but still, even if it's like this, like, there isn't really much that's gonna happen. What we're gonna do, like, it's so simple. Obviously, either here and then break structure. All right, and then maybe we'll come and retest later. All right, because it's a very long journey for us, guys. To be honest, it's a very long journey, like, to retrace the whole movement, because remember, we've been declining for like half a year, like for over half a year now. So obviously, like, it's gonna take us more than that to retrace, like to change direct. It's not gonna happen overnight or over a week or a month. It's gonna take a lot more than that to fully recover this whole decline. Okay, it's gonna take us more than like just a few months to recover. It might even take us up until December, like to take this whole thing, like to retrace this whole decline movement. Okay, so all we need, guys, it's like a bit of patience. That's all we need. All right, bit of patience. And obviously the good news is that the more we are having those pullbacks, those retracements, guys, that's good money. Like, it means money, because we know, okay, we are respecting levels. We go to this level, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna return back to the previous level. Like, it makes things easier for us. Like, you make money. You can, like, in a day, like, you can kill NASDAQ for like 5 times in a row. You buy, and then as it reaches the next level, what you do, you sell, and then it reaches the previous level, and then from there, what you do again, you buy, and then you're gonna eat maybe 2 levels, or maybe it's gonna just range for a little bit on those levels in the same day. So like, it means money. Okay, so now what we're gonna do from this week, okay, maybe it might be a bit of extreme. Maybe this week might be so boring, and then maybe it might reach somewhere here. All right, and then break. Because what we do, guys, we respect levels. We don't violate levels that much. Okay, we don't violate levels that much. This is NASDAQ. It respects levels so much, like so much. All right, so yeah, by the look of structure, there's a chance that maybe from here it might just go super down. But because of the nature of NASDAQ, remember those trend lines, like those trend lines, like they're the reason, like, I'm confident that we're changing directions. Okay, like this. If it goes low, like extra low, obviously it's gonna have to come here and retest, guys. If it goes extra low, it's gonna end only here. It's not gonna go like maybe, like, it's never gonna go that crazy, man. All right, it's never gonna go that crazy. So there's really, shouldn't really panic, man. Like, if it goes below, like, it's gonna go with a spike. It's not gonna go like fully. No, it's gonna go with a spike. Okay, so this is a possibility. If it goes below, it's gonna come back to retest this trend line. It's not gonna like do a lot of, this is all it's gonna do. Okay, so for this coming week, guys, you gotta look out for those levels the market is being creating. Okay, look out for those levels, because you know what we do as a no-brainer strategy traders. All right, replicate what's on the left on the right, and then look at this movement. Do I really have to show it to you? Look at this, man. Just look at this, because we have a triple bottom structure here, and then it's a sign for an upwards movement, meaning on a downtrend. A triple bottom structure represents a change of directions, meaning we have to. All right, so look at this part. We have to replicate it at this side. And that's exactly what we are going to be doing. Obviously, it's not going to be exactly the same, but because of, like, we are a no-brainer structures, guys, no-brainer traders. If you know from previous videos, what did I say about the no-brainer? We just break it in half. Okay, we break it in half, and always you get a chart pattern in the middle. Always you get a chart pattern. And that's exactly what we have, guys. Exactly what we have. Alright. So that's just what's up. It's no panic, guys. Like, for real. We changing directions, man. Like, there's no argument. Like, you can't argue it. It's just that we're switching direction, changing directions. We're going up now. Okay. Don't want to lie to you guys. Like, I can't lie, man. I honestly cannot afford to. Taking this to this side. Simple. Replicating this whole thing. Whole of it. You know. From here. Just gonna take the whole of this guy. And replicating air side. That's what we're gonna be doing, guys. You know. For me, maybe this. And then. Because we respect trends. Alright. You know, this is what we're gonna be doing. Alright. You know, guys, like, I never leave with NASDAQ. I'm almost 100% accurate because, like, I've been trading NASDAQ for a very long time. Like looking for those movements, and nobody told me this. Like, I was like genuinely like looking at the market daily, like studying it, like almost full day, like looking at it, watching the market move, and be like, oh, this is what NASDAQ likes. This is what. Noting everything down, guys. Some I couldn't write down, like, because they really couldn't, like, there wasn't really those words, because, yeah, I'm not really quite smart. But so, there wasn't really those words, like, to put, like, together, like, to form, like, that logical sense, you know. So, some I just put it in the back of my head, you know. Like, I can't really even explain them, like, well, like, when I tell a person, like, this is what. Like, it kind of don't make enough sense when I tell to a person. But this is simple as that. And that's how I discovered the no-brainer strategy, guys. Because it's NASDAQ. NASDAQ, like, it's not as complex as everyone makes it. Alright. So, look, for this video, like, I've never went to smaller time frames, like, literally. And you know what I always do. Small, like, highest time frame, and then go smaller. Like, the video is like about to end, and I haven't went to smaller time frames because, like, this is legit, guys. This is what's gonna happen to us 100. Like, there's no denying, guys. And this is where, like, exactly I'm gonna leave the video, guys. And if you enjoyed, please smash that like button, and then subscribe if you're new here, guys. Like, I really like to have you on this channel. Like, guys, thank you for everything, man. Like, we're at 230 plus subscribers. Like, it's a big win for us, and we have surpassed 5,000 total views. And, like, from my goal for 2022 was to make is to surpass 10,000 streams, and already we've killed the half, and in a few months, because we've been back on this channel for like 3 months now, or 4 months, somewhere there, but it's never like we don't have 6 months, no, maybe 3 months or 2 months. Yeah, we've been back for like 2 months, and I'm really, like, guys, I'm grateful, like, y'all, like, viewing the videos, the channel, like, every week. Like, I really appreciate that. Like, I don't have enough words to thank you guys. I won't say that's a small number. 200 subscribers. Like, do you know how many 200 people are? Like, it's big, guys. Like, it's really big for us, man. Like, thank you, man. Like, you know, it's a wolf pack, and the way of a wolf is brotherhood, guys. So let's just show love and then be genuine, you know, in this field of us, which is like forex. You know, a lot of us, like, individuals involved in it, are really disingenuous, and, like, that's uncool, because we are making people, like, disrespect our community. You know, when, like, you mention, like, forex to some other people, they be like, no, it's a scam, no, it's what. It's because of what us we do, like, as, like, forex traders. Like, it's not really hard, guys. Like, being disingenuous, being about the money. Like, we shouldn't fall to that money trap, like, doing everything for money. No, like, we need to be good people. Like, it really helps being like a really good person, like, being genuine. All right, so let's just be like that, guys. Share the knowledge. Share knowledge. Like, what's the point of holding up to knowledge? You're gonna die one day, guys. Like, so better, like, share the knowledge that you have, like, to better the world, you know. That's all it's all about. Like that's all. Like I'm creating this channel for. Like I just want to like share the little that I have. Like that's all it's about. So I'm really grateful, guys, for y'all, and I'm just gonna leave it here, guys. And thank you so much, man. And peace.